In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wayfair seller account with our 2025 step-by-step guide. If you're looking to expand your business and reach a wider audience through Wayfair, a Wayfair seller account is just the thing you need. Let's get started on this exciting journey to becoming a seller on one of the most prominent e-commerce platforms for home goods. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Wayfair's partner page. This is your starting point for setting up your seller account. On the Wayfair partner page, you will see various options that introduce you to what it means to be a partner with them. Once you are there, locate the Apply Here button. This button is your gateway to initiating your application process. Clicking on it will take you to a new form where you'll begin to fill out your essential details. Next, let's talk about the application form itself. The first section requires you to fill out your primary contact information. This is crucial because these details will serve as Wayfair's first point of contact with you. Be thorough and make sure the information is up to date. You'll need to enter your name, email address, and phone number. Keep in mind that the accuracy of this step ensures you receive all the necessary communications from Wayfair regarding your application status. Once the primary contact information is out of the way, it's time to move on to your business information. This is where you provide all the specifics related to your business. Details like your business name, address, and the type of products you offer fall under this section. This gives Wayfair an overview of your business scope and how you align with their platform. After finishing the business information, you'll proceed to fill out the logistics information. This part might seem a bit intricate, but it's there to help Wayfair understand how you will handle orders, shipping, and returns. It's important to accurately fill in details about your warehouse locations, shipping capabilities, and return processes, as these can influence your potential partnership with Wayfair. Each section of the application is designed to paint a comprehensive picture of your business to Wayfair, so be sure to approach each one with attention to detail. Double-check all your entries for accuracy, as errors can slow down the approval process. Once you've filled out all fields in the application and reviewed your information, it's simply a matter of submitting the form. Your application will be reviewed by the Wayfair team. Upon approval, congratulations. You'll be one step closer to becoming a seller on their platform. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to creating a Wayfair seller account. Remember, entering the world of e-commerce can be a rewarding experience, and Wayfair's platform is a great avenue to showcase your products to a global marketplace. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your new venture.